Hiya, so I just wanted to show you, I have to get this A panel, get access to it anyway, to work out what's going on, and I thought I'd take the hinges off at the same time. And I haven't seen anyone actually do a video of taking the hinges off, so maybe I'll show that. This one I've sanded back a bit so I can get to the pin, and also you can slightly see the pin on that hinge as well. And then inside, if I unscrew the doors, which is just 2 Phillips head screws, then I should be able to get better access to the hinge, because I think I'm going to have to remove this A panel to repair it. So that's what I'm going to do, take the door off and attempt to get the hinges off. Also, you'll see the door moves around like that, so it's actually worn out and that hinge pin needs replacing anyway, so I can do that at the same time. So let's see how we go. Yeah, probably obvious to the Mini Pros, but it wasn't to me. The pins actually go from the bottom out. So by putting a hole punch in, I can actually knock the pins out this way. And I've got a smaller punch, which is a little bit finer to get. And the same with the bottom one. One's out, top one. There we go, that's the door off. You can see, obviously that pin there, need to put a new hinge in there. Now that I've got the hinge in that position there, I could actually knock the sleeve out, because the sleeve, you'll see in there, is worn out. It's quite worn out inside there. So to get that out, you could actually just use the hole punch that's the next size up, because that, if you scuff that away, scuff this away, you'll be able to see that actually the insert's almost completely gone. So let's have a go at popping that out now too. So now I'm using it's called a drift, I suppose, which allows us to knock out the actual brass insert. And that's, can't really see it very well, but one whole side is sort of worn out. See if you can see that, worn away. So you do the same with the bottom as well. So that'll be the new hinge that I'll put in. See if you can see that it's quite out of round. Yeah, so that's worn out. I can actually just leave the pin in there like that, but I might, it comes with a new pin anyway, so I'll put new pins in the top and the bottom. So that's it. And this one is the bottom pin. It's a bit hard to see really, but the bottom pin had absolutely no bush left at all, and the pin is completely worn out. So